Let me go out the door.
2026. Blizzard. The last one was 2016. Then 2006. Then 1996. Now we're in 2026.
All sixes?
Yep. You look pretty out here. It's the abominable snowman. Hey, Mr. Fisher.
Mr. Fisher.
No, sir. Hey. Nope. If these vehicles don't move out of here today, there's no way for the rest of the week. Just need a plow truck.
This is worse than before.
Yeah, and it's not done yet. It's not done yet. The other truck you had, you could have moved out of it? The other Jeep.
No, I don't want to move there.
You would have?
No.
Same thing.
That would have been worse.
Alright guys, let's go make some fried dumpling. Alright. So we have some flour there. We're gonna add about 2 big spoons of sugar. Maybe 2.5. We have 1 teaspoon of salt. We're gonna add our baking powder. All right. All right, so we're gonna combine all our ingredients. Mixing all the flour, the sugar, the salt, and the baking powder together. Making sure no lumps of sugar is in there. And we have a cup of cold water. We're going to make it loose, not too firm. So we're going to make a dough. Tell us which part of the world you guys are watching from. And thank you guys for always coming over here and checking out the Girl Winners lifestyle. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to leave a comment and share, okay? Alright, so we get the consistency of what I was looking for. Not too hard. And not too soft. So I'm gonna slit this, get a piece of napkin, wet it, and cover it. Alright, so let's cover this fella and let it sit, and stay tuned while we complete the process. Alright guys, so we're gonna put some oil in the pot, get ready to fry these dumplings. This is canola oil. Alright y'all, let's start making some dumplings. Some of them are going to be bigger than some, of course, because I'm not measuring. All right. Too small. This is how me make my dumplings, okay? The reason being why I'm putting them here, I don't want to put them in the pot and then all of them are not in good and they're going to start burning before it's cooked. Okay? Don't criticize my dumplings, please. I actually learned to make dumplings by watching my grandmother, then my mom, but their technique is totally different from mine. I create my own technique. All right, so let's start putting them in the pot. Okay. And I learned from my dad as well too, but my dad dumplings are totally different. My dad dumplings are tiny and neat, not ugly like mine's. So I'm just watching them to see when they start get some color on the sides. Not dark. All right. Now we're gonna get ready to start turning them, but we don't want them to burn up. Okay. We don't want them to start burning up. And that's exactly what was about to start happening. That's why they're so a little bit so dark. So this is my way of making my fried dumpling. So stay tuned, guys, while I take you guys along the journey or the process. Okay? Alright, let's turn them again. How do you know when they are cooked? That's a good question. I guess these are not cooked yet because they're not soaked. Not soaking up the oil, I mean the inside is still raw. I will show you guys when it's cooked. Alright, so let's go in and start removing them. So I have a piece of paper towel in the container. That's to eliminate the excessive oil. So your dumplings then don't have to be oily. Nice golden brown. And here you have it. Nice golden brown fried dumpling. Take a picture. And there you have them, guys. Nice golden brown fried dumpling. See? See that? Not raw. See the heat coming from it? Get that crunch? Alright, y'all. So I have some saltfish on the pot, in the pot that I boiled once already. And I have some ackee here that we're gonna add to the pot with the saltfish. As some of you guys may not know that we live here in the States, so we do not have access to the outdoor Ackees, so we have to buy the canned one. So we are going to let that boil, and I'm going to show you guys the rest of it.
Come live a lifestyle. Ooh, oh. fight. Hands up high, let your heart sing. Joy's the crown and love's the king. No rewind, no delay. This is our forever day. Hands up high, let your heart sing. Joy's the